Hey, what's up, YouTube? This is your boy Scott Free, host of the radio show Sounds of Sunday. Hey, listen, I'm actually going to be doing a review of all my shows from the years past, from all this month and up until November 15th. I got to get some work done, and I'm getting very busy right now. So, and plus, there's some artists that you probably haven't heard before. So, I want to actually do a review and recap all the shows that I've actually done and the music tracks from the artists and their content. Okay, I keep them promoted as much as I can. All right, this is your host Scott Free. I will see you all back here November 15th. All right, gotta get some work done. But anyway, I hope you enjoy the shows and check out my reviews right here on the Sounds of Sunday. Later.